Page 8. Listening Task 2. Keep the conversation going. Exercise A. Listen. People are meeting for the first time. How do they keep the conversations going? Number the strategies in the correct order from 1 to 3. 1.
This is a really nice campus. I love this school, don't you?
Yeah, I like it too. My name's Tom, by the way.
I'm Maria. Nice to meet you, Tom. You know, I think I've seen you in some of my classes. Are you an English major?
Yeah, I am. You too?
Yes. I'm a senior this year. I'll be graduating in May.
Really? Me too. So, what are you planning to do when you graduate?
2.
Sure is hot out today, huh? I've seen you around the office, but I don't think we've met. I'm Terry Moss. I work on the 3rd floor.
Hi, Terry.
And your name is?
Elena.
So Elena, how do you like working here?
It's okay.
3.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Oh, hi. I'm Tina.
So, have you lived here long?
No, actually,
Have you heard of The Strangers? That's my band. I'm a musician. I play guitar, keyboard, and drums.
Oh, that's...
I can play 5 different instruments. I sing, too. I write my own songs. In fact, I've already recorded 2 CDs with the band, and we're working on our 3rd.
Oh.
4.
Hello, Chris. I'm glad you could come.
Well, thanks for inviting me.
Chris, I'd like you to meet my wife.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Chris. I'm Emma.
What a beautiful home you have.
Oh, thank you.
So, Emma, Jim tells me you're from Seattle. I'm from Seattle, too.
You're kidding. What part are you from?
Page 8. Exercise B. Listen again. Do you think the conversations will continue? Check yes or no.